Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a video element into a Google form. So you may have a few reasons that you want respondents to a form to watch a video. Maybe it's required to answer some questions that follow for a quiz or a test, or maybe you want to gauge people's reaction to certain elements of the video, and you don't want them leaving the form to watch the video because they may never come back. If you go to this little menu on the side, where it has the little playback button, when you hover over it, it says Add Video. Click on that, and you've got a couple options for adding a video. You can either search YouTube for the video, or if you know the video has a specific URL, so you either know what it is online, or maybe this video is some video in your Google Drive, and you have the link necessary to share it, you can paste that there. Or you can just search for something. So if I search, and all right, so now I have a bunch of videos that match that. Let's say I find one I like, click on it, make sure it's highlighted, hit select, and now that video will show up as part of my form. I can even add a title to this. I can format the title a bit, and if I click on Form Preview up here, I click on that, and the video is part of the form now, so whoever is visiting this form or responding to it can now watch that video without having to leave the form and then maybe answer some questions based on what they saw.